Hey there, I'm Jerry. I'm from Wisdom Audio in the United States, and we're here at ISE 2014. We're introducing new products at the show, and we're creating this amazing multi-channel demo with partners from HTE, Home Theater Design in Italy, and Datasat Communication for the electronics. Now, we're a loudspeaker company, and the things that we do and our contribution to this system are our flagship model LS4 loudspeakers that we're using for left, center, and right channels in our demonstration. This is our very best loudspeaker. It's a planar magnetic line source design. There are 3 of these behind the screen in left, center, and right positions. Next to the LS4 is a new model from us. This is the model S110. This is a subwoofer. There are 4 of these that are used in the system, and the subwoofer uses our technology that we call a regenerative transmission line. The subwoofers are very flexible in terms of where they can be placed. They can be bolted into the baffle wall of the space. They can be placed above the ceiling or below the floor and ported into the room, or they can simply be placed into the room and then oriented horizontally and vertically. Very high output, high sensitivity, they play deep and loud, and they're flexible in terms of where you can place them in the space. This is an example of our Sage series of loudspeakers. This is the model P38M. We're using 6 of these for surround channels in the system. This is a 2-way system with planar magnetic mid-tweeter drivers. Most of the sound that you hear from the speaker comes from the planar magnetic driver. 2-way, bi-amplified, fully active, DSP-based electronic crossovers. I did want to show you this, however. This is the driver that's used in the main channels of the system. And you see that it's extremely thin. This is our core technology. No cones and domes or compression driver horns here. We're using thin film planar magnetic drivers for creating the sound in the system. Planar magnetics are really cool. They have this amazing quickness, transient response, because it's a very, very powerful motor, magnetic motor, that's moving a film that weighs, well, practically nothing. In fact, the equivalent air mass of the system, the air that the system is moving, actually weighs 3 times more than the moving mass of the driver itself. The driver both starts very quickly, the acceleration factor is amazing, and in addition, because the air weighs much more than the film, it stops almost as quickly as it starts. That translates into amazing clarity, resolution, detail, and transient response. In addition, the system has amazing power handling capability. It can play effortlessly, even at the loudest listening levels, to create an experience that's very much like going to a live concert. You have this sense of unconstrained dynamics. We use 4 of these Wisdom Series coaxial planar magnetic drivers in the main channels of our system that we're demonstrating here at ISE. This is the model LS4. There are 4 of those drivers stacked up to form a line source that's 84 inches tall. So that's our story, ISE 2014, Wisdom Audio. Find out more about us by going to wisdomaudio.com. Thanks.